Okay guys, let's talk about something that is totally game changer for my skin, and it's a snail mucin. I recently discovered this new brand called Bloom Effect and I had to try it myself. तो मैंने उनका snail mucin order कर लिया and it's been so good for my skin. This stuff is super hydrating. It makes my skin feel so plump and smooth. My skin just drinks it up. Plus, if you are dealing with redness or irritation, it's a lifesaver. And the best part is the glass skin. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. I'm obsessed with it. If you are looking for all-around skincare boost, trust me, you need this in your skincare routine. It's a total game changer.